Hello, Facebook. It's a wonderful Monday morning. This is the week of Thanksgiving, and here I am, back at it again. I told you I'm not going anywhere. I will be presenting videos every day. I love doing what I'm doing. I'm here to make sure you're on your way to home ownership. Today, the title of my video is The Misconceptions of No Money. That's right. Most people look at those 3 a.m. infomercials and think that everybody can purchase houses with no money. Well, that's exactly what it is. It is a myth. And today I'll show you where money has to be spent in order to buy a house. And I just want to, first of all, say this is going to be a great week. It's a Thanksgiving week. Man, there's so many things that to be thankful for. I'm thankful that I'm able to come to you today and be able to share knowledge and understanding with you about purchasing a home. Man, I tell you what, if you can't come up with the reason on why you're thankful, just look in the mirror and know that because you're alive and you're well and you're able to do what you love to do, that you are thankful for that and that alone. So I first of all would like to say, man, today is going to be a subject that a lot of people like to talk about, which is money. But when it comes to real estate, money is a realistic source on helping you get to where you are. And when I was thinking on this and I was pondering about what it is that I would say to you, I thought about our illustrious president. I heard him say in a speech, President Obama, I heard him say in one of his speeches, money is not the only answer, but it makes a difference. I'll say that again. Money is not the only answer, but it makes the difference. See, it takes more than just money to purchase a house, but money can be the difference maker in purchasing your home. So today I want to answer the question on, well, if I need money, tell me what I need money for. It's simple, and I'm going to give it to you in elementary terms so you can understand whoever you use, which I hope will be me. I'm the best, so you may as well use me doing your home buying endeavors. So today we're going to talk about the ways that money is utilized, assets are needed in purchasing a home. And first of all, before I proceed, let me get this out of the way. Someone sent me a question to my inbox last week about credit. Well, they asked me what credit score is needed in order to qualify for a loan. Well, there's no magic score, but most lenders typically want to see a 680 middle score. Let me say that again. Most lenders typically want to see a 680 middle score. What does that mean? That means if you have a score that's 720, a score that's 620, and a score that's 680, the 680 would be your middle score, and that's the score that they go from to qualify you for a mortgage. So, but there are some lenders that will take a lesser credit score, but there are some contributing factors that must happen though. So, 680 is the magic number or the norm that I hear in the industry. So, let us continue to talk about why money is needed when buying a house. The first thing, the most important thing, is needed for down payment. Everybody has to pay down payment on a home because there's rare occurrences, and we'll talk about them a little later, where the lender will give you 100% of the money to purchase a home. There are some situations, and we will discuss those. But let's start with down payment. The first most typical way to purchase a house is through what we call conventional financing. That's your local bank. That's the bank that you deal with that handles your checking account, that does all of your banking needs for you. You can go into their bank and get what we call a conventional financing mortgage, which means you have to put at least 5% down to receive a conventional mortgage. And you have to have that credit score, that credit profile to meet their guidelines to qualify for putting 5% down. Let me just use some round numbers to give you some clarity. First of all, if you go to a conventional bank and you want to buy a $100,000 house, so we're going to use $100,000, and if you have to put 5% down, that means you need to have $5,000 as down payment. That's where the money comes in. You have to have $5,000 as down payment or whatever percentage the lender tells you you have to pay. So, but conventional loans are sort of, catch-22s, because even if you don't have perfect credit, you may have, not horrible credit, but mediocre credit. If you can come up with more down payment, Your credit score doesn't have to be as strong as, most people. If you can come up with 10, 20, 30% down, they will turn their heads, so to say, at less than favorable credit. So you got more negotiating room with conventional lenders, but it's something you have to bring to the table. Maybe it's more money, or maybe it's a better credit score, but that's conventional financing. And that's the most popular financing, because that's where all the money for houses originates. Now, the next product that I'm going to talk about is what we call FHA financing. But I must tell you up front, FHA, it does not give loans. FHA only insures loans. FHA is a government entity that insures loans. Let me tell you about how they insure loans. FHA basically says to a conventional lender, if you give this person a loan, I'll insure it in the event that they default or stop making payments. That's all FHA does. It gives the banks or the lenders an insurance clause in the event that you stop paying. So, but with that, FHA has guidelines. Most FHA loans, you only have to put 3% down. That's right, 3% down. This is becoming a popular form of financing because it's so available, because it's a government entity. Now, government entities doesn't mean, low income. No, that's not what this means. This means that the government is willing to assist anybody that meets the guidelines on home ownership. So a 3% down payment is less than a 5% down payment. That's why people take this road as opposed to regular conventional financing, so they can keep the cost of purchasing low. There's some caveats to FHA besides the low down payment as well. Number one, FHA will allow, for those of you who just don't have the money to pay down, they will allow relatives to gift you your down payment. What do you mean, gift me my down payment? I'm glad you asked. Just say, for instance, you have that relative that always has an abundance of cash. And all you need is the 3% to put down on your property. You can get that money from a relative, and FHA will allow you to use it as a down payment. It's called gift funds. Hey, it's a remarkable thing that allows people who doesn't have the funds to pay up front themselves for down payment to get it from family members. Then you have a caveat of the greatest interest rate on the planet. FHA gives you the best interest rate because, again, it ensures the lender that they will be taken care of in the event that you default on your loan. And the third caveat to FHA, and conventional loan has this too, you get a 30-year fixed loan. What does that mean? What that means is that your loan payment will be the same exact payment every single month for 30 years. It may change a little bit depending on your taxes and your insurance, but it will not be incremental enough to make you have to move out of your property because of payment increase. So those are the caveats to FHA financing. It's a great source. It's a great tool. People, you should take advantage of it. It's available to all Americans. It's a great tool. It's a great tool. Majority of my clients use FHA for financing. Now, we talked about conventional financing. We've talked about FHA financing. Now, we've got two financing vehicles that do pay a 100% down payment for you. And I'm going to talk about those briefly. Number one, the first one is VA. It's only available to those who have served in this country, active duty and retired. Anybody that served in this country has availability to fund a 100% loan to purchase a house. You're entitled to it. It's yours. You earned it when you served this country. They, however, do allow 100% financing. Now, does that mean you don't have to bring any money out of your pocket? No, because you got other costs such as closing costs, such as inspections, but we'll talk about those tomorrow. But VA financing is 100% financing. And then there's this other one that has become popular as of late. It's called USDA financing. That's right. It's called USDA financing. It's a wonderful program. It's 100% financing. It's a long, it's a tedious program, but it's worth it when you're getting 100% of your money to purchase a house. Again, that does not mean you won't have to bring money out of your pocket. It just simply means that you do not have to put down payment up for your loan. And USDA has some caveats as well. There are also 30-year fixed. They also offer the best interest rates available. They require that you go through a home buyer seminar. But I'm telling you, it is the greatest thing if you're looking for 100% financing. It is a long process. It's about 4 or 5 months from start to beginning. But you have to go through a lot of things to see if you qualify for this money. But this is the one thing that you have to be aware of. That's why you need a real estate agent like me. You have to be aware of the fact that you must live in the right area where the money is available. I'll say that again. With USDA financing, the money is not available everywhere. It's only available in certain parts of the state. So you need to call me. You need to reach out to me and you need to find out where is this money available. I know the money is available in Lamar. I know the money is available in Pike. I know the money is available in some parts of Spalding. But if you live in an area and you're not sure if this money is available, this 100% financing is available, call me up. This is what I do. I know all the areas. I have the map saved in my phone. I have it on my desk. So when people call me, I can give them direction on how to get this USDA money. Well, I'm telling you, those are the most important ways that you use money when purchasing a house. Tomorrow we'll cover some other parts of the home buying process that requires money, such as earnest money, such as inspections and appraisals and closing costs. So today, I think this has been great information. Now people know, why is it that I need money? Where is my money going to when buying a house? So tax season is coming up. Hey man, save your money. Hey, live today like never before so you can live tomorrow like never before. Those of you who have been wanting to purchase a house, hey, this year, make it up in your mind that I'm going to save this money. I'm going to get my credit right. I'm going to pay stuff off because I'm going to call Cedric in 2017. I'm going to call the biggest real estate agent in the state of Georgia in 2017 so he can show me, direct me on how to purchase a home. Man, that's it for me today. I will like to say, man, we were not at a restaurant this weekend, but we were out and about. We just laid back. My wife had me climbing up 15-foot ladders, hanging lights, but we were in Walmart yesterday. And we checked in Walmart. So for everybody that's watching this video, if you share my video, if you like my business page, and you can tell me which Walmart that we were in on yesterday, me and my wife, we got so many likes, man. I'm telling you, everybody knows where we are. But tell me which city were we in. And I have 2 of these. I have 2 of these for somebody to go spend in Walmart for Christmas. Man, maybe you want to buy you something. Maybe you want to buy a gift for somebody. But if you do it, share my video, like my business page, and tell me which Walmart that we were in on yesterday, that we checked in, and this belongs to you. Man, I'm a man of my word, and this is what I do. I like blessing people. We'll do this once every month. But you got to watch us to know where we are. And you got to watch my video to know when I'm offering. Hey, man, it's getting exciting over here. We're getting a YouTube page. The name of my YouTube page is going to be That Guy Knows Real Estate. Again, That Guy Knows Real Estate. Man, that's who I am. I am that guy. And I do know real estate, man. So I'm going to be the biggest, the baddest, the most successful real estate agent in 2017, it's because of you. It's because you're going to call me to buy. You're going to call me to sell. You're going to call me when you want to invest. Man, I'm the best. Call the best when you want the best. Hey, share my video. Man, did y'all see that logo, the awesome logo that we're building a great company over here, and I want you to be a part of it. Man, I'm feeling great. Today, I am giving back to the community. I'm giving away complete Thanksgiving dinners to 2 great families today. I'm doing it. I might go live. I don't know, because I don't do it to show off, but I like to do it to show people that when God bless me, I'm a blessing back to other people. Because you know, if you give, something will be given back unto you. Hey, this is Cedric, man. 2017, it's my year. Man, I'm telling you, I will be the greatest real estate agent in the state of Georgia. And if you're a buyer, if you're a seller, if you're a builder, if you're a developer, it's going to pay to know me, to be connected to me. Because I'm telling you, I'm speaking it. I am the biggest real estate agent in Georgia. 2017, man, God bless everybody. somebody this week. God bless the buyers, the sellers, the investors, the developers. God bless real estate, and God bless these United States of America that gives me the liberty to do exactly what I'm doing. Blessing you, and you're blessing me. Man, I feel so great this week. Y'all have a blessed week. Man, I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'm telling you tomorrow, tune in so you can know other ways that money is needed in the home buying process. It's a great day, man. I'm feeling great. I'm giving today, man. I'm telling you, let me stop talking because I can talk forever because I feel good about what I'm doing in my life because I'm blessing you. I'm blessing the communities. And man, y'all are blessing me by tuning in and choosing me to be your real estate agent for your next real estate transaction. Man, this thing is getting large. Have a great day. God bless you. Remember, today is the day that something huge, magnanimous, prodigious, colossal, over the top could happen in your life.